Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a review, swatches and demo on the new BH Cosmetics Mimosa palette. So it just looks like this, really funky packaging, and then inside it's lovely warm summer colours, pinks, oranges, like really nice corals. So I'll be doing like a tutorial using this palette. So I have already done a video using this palette and this is in the same range. So this is the Avocado Toast palette and just looks like this. So these are more like greens and browns shades, you know, like avocado shades. So I did a look with this one already, so I will leave that one in the description box. For some reason these palettes are a little bit more expensive. They are now on Beauty Bay. I bought mine from the BH Cosmetics German website, and you can also buy them from the American BH Cosmetics website as well. So I bought mine a few weeks ago because I didn't know whether they would be coming to Beauty Bay because not everything does. But I have also got this Summer in Tropez BH Cosmetics palette. Now this one was £12.50 from the Beauty Bay website, but on the Beauty Bay website these ones are £15.50, so these ones are £3 more expensive. So I'm not sure why the price hike, but yeah, they are available there, and it probably works out a little bit cheaper than if you were to buy them from an American website. I actually bought mine, I think it worked out about £14 because I think they were on offer at the time they were released. So you know, I paid a little bit cheaper, but you know, for the convenience and you know how quick it's going to get to you, might as well buy it from Beauty Bay. Yeah, I really liked the Avocado Toast palette. It was really pigmented, had some great colours in it. I really enjoyed working with it, so I think this one will be the same. The only thing I would say about this palette is I don't think there's a lot of depth to it, because you've got these two which are like the darkest colours. You know, like it could do with a really nice burgundy, like darker colour, because my only thing I think about this is that, you know, you can only really get summer daytimey kind of looks with this. I don't think you're going to get something really deep, but you know, for the summer it might be really nice. So I'm going to prime my eyes now and zoom you in. Okay, so we are zoomed in now. Today's base, I'm using the Technique Eye Canvas. So this is like a dupe for the P. Louise base. It's really good. I was using my Halo Cut Crease canvas in my last video and it just went horrible. I don't know if it's gone off or if I put too much on, but it just made my eyes a little bit of a mess. So that is what we're using today, and I've put some of these what are they called, like shadow kind of shield things on. I just got these from Primark, but I find that when I stick like the whole thing down, it takes off and rubs and moves away my concealer, so that's why I only stick like this part down. So that's in case it looks a little bit weird, or if someone comments saying, oh, you're not wearing them right, it's on purpose. So the first shade I'm going to go into, I'm actually going to go into my darkest shade, and I'm going to go into Raspberry, that pinky colour, and just put that in the outer corner. So that's that outer corner down, and I do think these shadows are really pigmented, so it did take maybe 2 or 3 goes to really pack it on and build it up to that shade, but I think while it's on it looks really good. And also to say there's hardly any like kick up with these shadows. So the next shade I'm going to go into, I'm going to put one in the crease. I'm going to put this Vibes shade here, and then that'll help just blend away like the severeness of that outer shade, and yeah, just make it a little bit more seamless. Put a bit of this yellow in the crease as well, just to make it a little bit more sunsetty, and that is in the shade Sunny. Okay, so I love when you introduce a little bit of yellow into like pink, because it makes like a bit of an orange shade, so that looks lovely. I'm going to cut my crease off camera because it's just something that takes me ages and I have to do a lot of like intense focus to do it. but when I come back I'm going to use this shade Champagne, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So the gold is on, and that shade just went on like really well. So I've been going in lately with my fingers to apply shimmers. It's just been working for me at the moment. But I thought I would go in with like a little spectrum brush just to like neaten it up a little bit, and it picked up really well on the brush. So these like shadows are like really easy to work with. So I'm just going to put some liner on, and then I'm going to come back to do the lower lash line. I am actually going to intensify that the inner corner, just in case we've lost any with that cut crease, any of the pigmentation. Okay, so we need a lower lash line colour now, and at first I was like, let's go in with that orange, but you know what, I actually want to go in with this purple. That looks really fun. That's called Salute. Purple is on, it looks really cute. I am actually going to mix that OJ colour with it and to see how that looks. How horrible is this? The Shadow Shield has actually still taken off some of my concealer, so I think I'll be ditching them from now on. I do like how crisp it makes like my eyeshadow look, but I don't like having to clean up after it. So yeah, they're definitely better if you've not got any other face makeup on. Just like refreshed my makeup a little bit, just because I don't know, when I took off those eyeshadow shields it kind of smudged my concealer, and then I tried to blend it back and it just wasn't happening, so I ended up taking like half of my makeup off and then just reapplying it. But anyway, I'm wearing the Rimmel, what are these called, the Stay Matte liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Latte to Go. I'm just going to put some highlighter on now. So this is the Mega Honey highlighter from Makeup Obsession. I do have like a dedicated video to these, so we'll link that one in the description box. I'm just going to put it on my cheeks, but then I'm also going to put some on my inner corner, because the shade that I picked for my lid probably would also be like my inner corner shade as well. I'm not going to put any on my brow bone because I've got the yellow up there and I don't want to interfere with that. So that is the finished look with this palette. It was really easy to use, like the colours blended really well, they were very pigmented, even the shimmer shadows were great. So yeah, I really love this palette, and then I have got a video on this one as well, so we'll link it in the description box so you can check out that video. So thanks for watching today. Check out my other videos, I'm going to leave some in the description box for you to watch. I am going to leave you with some swatches now, so we'll see you again shortly. Bye! Okay, so here are the swatches. I've managed to get them all on one arm, which I'm dead pleased with. But how pigmented are they? Like every shade is pigmented. There is not like a dud in them all. I'm really happy with this palette.